thundering. Who do you? Who do you? Who do you? Trey Jack, Trey Jack Who do you? 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 Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Say yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. What the fuck your baby wanna talk? We can get it poppin'. Young nigga, high, I'm gon' hit it beat. Yeah, I'm gon' hit it bop. Had a feeling gon' titty bop. We can really go get it out. We can really go get it off. No lame shit. I hit it from the back. Good talk, and then she like to hit it from the back. She ain't got nothing to talk back. Hit it from the back. Now real talking, you can't top that. Young nigga, real talk. I like the top backs. Settle racing cars with ravens. We can really go and get the rave, or we can simply hit the crib quick. It's a safe haven place. I know a nigga plan to beat the pussy up. I wanna beat her face. The pussy up, you know it's like I'm on a time race. I finished, she was leaking, but while starting in a dry place. Sexy can I? Throw them t-shirt and panties on, you know she lookin' thick. Throw some t-shirt and panties on, you know she got some big dick shit, big dicks. Not her, she with it. Real talk, she thick it. Real talk like thin mix. I'ma really bounce all up in and out of house. I ain't talking, yeah the crib, yeah you know what I'm talking about. Yeah I'm bouncing all up in and out. Trey Jack, counter it. How to not get no fuck, real as fuck, no counterfeit. I'ma get it straight from the back door, nigga really bad. How to not give a fuck that? I'm with it, yeah, back there. How to not hot shit, real talk, exhausted. All up in that cool shit. Reason why a nigga wanna do me high, why a nigga straight mad. Get it up, I'm feeling glad. First baby by her, I'ma feel like a dad. I don't give a fuck though shit. She gotta go and go in. Matter of fact, Hocus Pocus. Love the way she be throwing jack shit. Who do you love?